Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix there's a problem with the DNS cache error. To get started, simply open your browser and search for WU reset. Now go to the first web page and simply download the tool from here. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the file. Now run the setup file from here as administrator. Press 0 and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter. Press 3 and hit enter. Now go back and press 12 and hit enter. Now press any key to go back. Now close everything and restart your computer and see if this resolves the issue or not. If it doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next method. Simply search for View Network Connections. Go to the properties of the network your PC is currently connected to. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and go to its properties and set the DNS server address to this. Once done, save the change and see if this helps resolve the issue or not. In the final method, search for Network Reset and open it. Click on Reset Now. Click on Yes and this will restart your computer and hopefully the issue will get resolved. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.